Hi, welcome back. I just thought I'd put the camera on because I'm making something I've never made before. It's Friday night and I'm making NAANS. Oh god, blow dried my fringe, terrible. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, that's 230. There's plenty there. Right, that's what I need to make the naan bread. And with the leftovers, I'm going to make like a cucumbery coriander mint yogurt dip. So while I'm prepping the veg, just thought I'd tell you something I discovered today. I wanted to watch my weaning Dot video when I weaned her. So I searched my YouTube name, or Suze, weaning. And the video came up, and there was some other, videos of mine or whatever. And I'm scrolling down, and there's this playlist called something like YouTube Girls Sneezing or something. And basically, somebody has screen recorded an old vlog of mine where I had hay fever. And I'm sneezing every 20 seconds, maybe less. And they've just put a minute of me sneezing into a video. That's it. The video is 1 minute long. And it's me sneezing. It's had 17,000 views. The guy that made it is from Germany, or the video has been made in Germany. Bit weird. So some weird German guy's been sat finding footage of women on YouTube sneezing, editing it together and making a playlist of women sneezing. I can't think why. I remember when this happened, the first time this happened, I've lived in this house nearly 8 years, and the first time I put a video on, and I think the title of the video, the vlog, was something like sneezing fit or hay fever sneezing, as part of the title of my vlog. And that video got a lot of views. It was just a really random vlog. It wasn't like... There's loads of comments on this old video saying, bless you, oh, you're so cute when you sneeze. It's very bizarre. Anyway, I'll link it below. I'm not bothered, it's fine. People do what they want to do to get off or whatever, but what kind of worries me is that there's obviously weirdos watching. Hello, weirdo, if you're watching. That are getting some kind of kick out of a weird little fetish thing, and it just kind of makes me worried about putting my kids in videos now. Which I never thought I'd say, because I never thought weirdos watch this channel. I thought it was just family and friends that watch this, or my lovely subscribers, hello, that always, I don't know. So I'm feeling a bit weird, actually, the more I think about it. Which is terrible, isn't it? What a shame. Can't just have nice things in life, can we? So I've got cucumber and yogurt, salt and pepper. I'm just putting a little tiny splash of garlic oil in there because it really does help make it nice and tasty. And then I'm going to chop up some fresh mint and coriander in here and mix it all together. frozen coriander. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so it's 100 grams per person. And supposedly all you do is add this yogurt in. And I'm going to put some salt in as well. Until it forms a dough. I'm not sure if I'm using my hands or not. I'm going to see how I get on. Okay, it's coming together. So I'm going in. God. Squish. It's very sticky. I've never made bread. I'm not interested in it at all. Oh, God. Oh, I've got the washing outside to bring in. That looks like dough. Yeah? I'm coming in a minute. Is that going to roll okay? Is it too dry? I did put a little bit extra in. Let's see. Do you know what? I bought backup NAANS, ready done ones if it don't work out, so. Okay. So, there it is. Let's cut it in half. That's one. Okay. Don't know how thick to do it. What's that? Is it a bit thick? I don't know. I don't know at all. I don't have a bloody clue. Oh God, can you imagine if I do all this and it tastes shit? So now I put it in a dry frying pan, 2 minutes each side. Here we go. Okay, it's warm. Let's have a little... Oh no. No, not yet. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, alright, here we go. Ooh. Did it? It looks dry as fuck. Okay, it's done. Ooh. There. Woohoo! So I have my NAANS, and now I've got my tikka masala cooking sauce, which I don't think is going to be very nice, but... Oh, do you know what? That isn't bad. I thought it was going to be like really watery and horrible. It's alright. This is Morrison's Own. 99p. That's really tasty, actually. I'm surprised. So I'm going to be quite generous with this sauce because I think because it's not terribly thick, but it is a little thick. This sauce, and I can taste it's got onions in it, and I've cut up a load of onions to put on the for topping. Whoops, never mind. I'm gonna be farting tomorrow. Oh no. I've got that wedding as well. I'm hoping I can take you with me to that wedding. Although I've never managed to vlog doing wedding hair. Because it's quite a stressful, high pace, you know, situation. Oh no! Every time I put a clean top on, literally, I've had this top on half an hour. They're normally quite stressful weddings, but I'm going to a house to do it, and what's the cool thing? She's proper laid back. Like, it's quite an easy updo, to be honest. But cheese, onions. This is pretty controversial, but pineapple, right? I absolutely love Danzak curry. If you've ever had a Danzak, it's got lentils and pineapple in it, and it's lovely. Oh my god, it's so worth buying branded pineapple. Oh, this is dull. Sunshine pineapple in a tin. Oh, it's unreal. It tastes like real pineapple. What's not to like? Curry, pineapple, naan bread, carbs, cheese. Can't go wrong, can it really? And last but not least, I have chicken tikka breast pieces. Oh gosh, there's quite a lot in here actually. Is it nice? Oh, it's a little bit spicy. I found a mozzarella ball in the fridge that was out of date. It smells fine. So I'm just going to shove that on, why not? We are going to be watching the final episode of a series we've been watching on Disney Plus called A Small Light. And it's been really quite interesting actually. I went through, this is going to be the end of my phase of it, I have to say. It's very distressing. It's called A Small Light, and it's about the woman who hid the Franks, Anne Frank and her family, Otto Frank, from the Nazis. It's not really, it is about, obviously there's Anne Frank and everybody in it, but like it's more about her and how she did everything she could to try and hide them. We don't know how that ended. Well, I think I do. I will find out tonight in the final episode that we'll be watching. Right. Got some coriander to put on top of Dan's. I don't like coriander fresh, big leaves of it. Don't mind a little bit of it, whatever. Anyway, I'll show you how they turn out. Is it?
Yeah, good.
How's the bread?
Alright.
Is it bready?
Bit.
A bit.
Well then, it is bread, so... That's nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah. It could have done to have been like heated at a higher temperature. You know, like a naan,
Like a tandoori oven?
Yeah, that we don't have. But...
Oh, it's really good.
It is good.
That's on me.
2 ingredients. Flour, water.
Flour and yogurt.
No water. Did you put some seasoned naan seasoning
Yeah,
in
just
it?
put some salt in it. Good, isn't it?
An arch with just a white backdrop rather than all of
See
them.
what-
I think it's the lights because they're not all.
Because some of them aren't lit. They said they were kind of going to try and change some bulbs, but there's so many of them, they're never going to be able to find out which one's broken. So he's going to ask, I think he's going to, hopefully, if he remembers, mind you, you'll be there as well, ask to see it without the lights lit.
Right.
See if that looks better, and see what you think of the arch. And if it looks terrible,
stab your head.
ask him to check it out.
Yeah, right, I'll
There's 3 seats at the front,
Yeah.
so that's Andy, my dad and my mum.
Yeah. Yeah.
Behind there, there's 3 seats again.
Right.
So that is
As you go in on the left-hand
as
side.
you walk in,
Right, on the left.
you're on the left,
Right, right.
and my mum and dad are on the right.
Right, okay.
Bill and Lath and Samantha are coming. So. We're gonna find yeah, is mine alright?
What a hair.
Do more risk an eyeliner.
Yes.
I'm gonna go wash all
You've got hours. You've
I'm
got
gonna go wash all
hours.
sparkles off my fingers first.
Sparkle everywhere. There's sparkle on your mum's carpet.
How do you open that?
It's full on.
Yep.
I think one's enough.
I'll tell you what though, honestly, everyone's like, oh, it must be so hard, you know, in working away. Are you joking? It's so easy.
It's just out the way.
Yeah. I've only got 2 kids to look after.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Want some help? Want a hand? Oh, I'm an expert in that. Years ago, but I don't bother these days.
There you go. Thanks very much. You don't get hairspray in it.
No.
It's the same old fashioned spray smell as Elnet, isn't it? Been
Yeah.
around for years, isn't it?
The best.
You just
Towards the other side, you go.
do it.
Oh, if you know,
I've
I've just pulled
Oh.
the tab off.
I swap the long table to 3 little ones.
Oh, right, yeah.
But if it's like this and everybody's sitting out, I mean, I presume if it has rained, they'll go around and dry all the seats off
Yeah,
outside.
yeah.
When I go to
No, it's lovely,
garden, you might already know this because you've probably seen him, to follow him over to the vending and put nose. Till 10, but she usually gets there early, so
Yeah,
he might have called from on his way and got him.
Yeah.
But if not, he said he'd borrow Margaret's car and just nip over and fetch there too. And then our flowers and Bradley and my dad's put nose are getting delivered here at 12.
Yeah, right. I've forgotten Margaret is she's going for hairdressing this morning, but then she's going with Margaret for a nail salon. So I did, we were going to go, but then our golf coincide, and then I'm still working on people what's going to breakfast. I said, yeah, all right. I'm doing it next year, so I'm just 22 so we'll be then.
Yeah. Well, the photographer is supposed to be getting there for June, but he might go.
Yeah.
Right, I'm spraying. Breathe in.
She was thinking, how are you doing stuff like that? So I told her, and she was like, oh, I'm so excited for you.
And when I
opened that, I went, well, I bet you bought it one a tan blanket, aren't you? And then there's lovely mugs.
And then I top the dishwasher if you've got a dishwasher.
This from, Damien said, oh, they like dishwashers.
Only in the top.
Only in the top. I don't
Yeah, I put mine.
And then this is from Libby, who I saw. Yeah.
Right, might just turn you to the mirror now if that's okay, hon.
Yeah.
Stand
So
up
we
for
went to
me.
Libby's on Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
Because obviously she could come to the
Thank
venue.
Have you broken it?
I've not broken it.
What a shame.
I didn't break it.
I now no longer have a button rose.
No, you've got a lovely button rose.
Mm.
Is that what they're called, button roses?
No idea. Probably not. Boutonniere, isn't it?
Hmm?
Is it a boutonniere?
Have them your mint, Suze? Oh yeah, there was. Thank
Here's a
you.
twirl.
I just got a bit there. As long as it's not too windy, we'll be alright.
It's looking alright at the minute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sunday morning. And we're going to try some Weetabix, but I've made it with formula. You're going to have a little try. You're going to hate it. Ready? Mm. 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 It's formula. Try. Mm. Let's try. It's quite gritty, isn't it? Mmm. Well, you're not gagging. It's better than the banana. Chewing, that's good. Let's try some more. What's over there? Oh, she's looking at her bottles. Looking at your empty milk bottles. Mmm. Weetabix and formula, 2 of the most sticky cement mixed foods you could possibly make. Let's see, it's stuck in the chin. Oh no! Oh dear. Oh dear. Nice. Oh. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, good morning. You ready for your Weetabix? Look, Benny's having hers.
But Bunny doesn't like Weetabix.
She's trying. She's doing really good. Do you want yours?
Yeah. So you got teeth?
No, she hasn't got teeth.
Why not?
She's a little baby. Come here.
I got teeth.
Yeah, you've got 20 teeth. We counted them, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, didn't we? Yeah. And why do I have 20?
So you can chew up all your dinner, breakfast and things. Girl.
Yeah, good girl, Bunny.
She is a good girl. She's doing really well.
Uh-huh.
Hello. Now, I know I got that fabulous dress off TikTok. That off-the-shoulder one for this wedding. But I've seen another from River Island, of all places. Now, they didn't have a size 18. They only had a size 16, so I'm not holding out much hope, but I think it's elasticated. So we'll see. What? Yeah? Nothing. Nothing. I can just hear you talking, so I want to talk. Okay. It's max. It says it's midi, but it was like to this model's ankles, and she was 5'7". I'm 5'3", so it's definitely going to be on the floor for me. So I think I will have to get it shortened because in my mind, this dress would look better sort of mid-calf. So let's try it on. Okay, I was right. There's no zips. It's all elasticated, so I think we're okay. Oop, and I have no bra on. Oh, how disappointing. How disappointing. Oh, what the hell? Is it because I haven't got a bra on? Let me put a bra on. Okay, got a bra on. This is not what I wanted at all. Look at the state. It's too big. It's not doing what I wanted it to do at all. There's dust everywhere. So, it's very elasticated. Shut up, Dot. It looked so cute on the model. This was proper sticking out, long. It's down to my ankles. Oh, it's crap, innit? It's so unflattering. Like, that needs to be there. That needs to be there. You can see what I'm doing. That needs to be there. Oh, it's awful. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. I can't even give it to my sister because she's skinnier than me now. No, awful. Absolutely awful. What a shame. Well, at least I know my reaction. Like, with the other dress, I put it on and I was instantly like, bitch, I'm phenomenal. So I think we know that I'm definitely wearing that dress.
Oh,
damn it.
Yes.
What is the sheep? Where is it?
It went in my driveway.
It's gone. What the fuck?
It's just off home.
Random sheep in the road. It's always like that. In fact, I'll probably film it further up
There'll be
because
some more.
there's tons of sheep just knocking about on the roads in Marsden. Right, it's Tuesday. Bit done up. Daddy's here. It's 10 to 5. We're having a night off from Mummy and Daddy and we're going to the theatre. We're going to see a play. Now, I'm not really a play person, but you've probably heard of it. It's called 222. 222 is a play that's been on tour for a while now. It started in London. And it tends to have a celebrity in it. I think Cheryl Cole's done it. Lily Allen's done it. Who else has done it?
I've no idea. I don't know what this is all
Jake from
about.
EastEnders, you know, the bald, gingery guy.
Oh, yeah. Who's in it tonight then?
So tonight is
Is it
actually, no, it's a celebrities night off tonight, which I think it was slightly cheaper. So this 222 is a ghost story, supposedly, like a bit paranormal, I think. Giovanna Fletcher's been in it. Love her. So this couple have just had a baby that is 6 months old, and the dad, I think he's been working away quite a lot, or he's been on a trip away or something. While he's been away, she's been experiencing sort of paranormal activity. And what else has happened? All right, so the play is set during a dinner party. So there's this couple, and then there's another couple who have come to the dinner party. That's all I know about it, really. I don't want to know anything else, but I presume it's called 222 because that's the time of night things start happening. Like, that's the witching hour, isn't it?
It could be this witching hour.
So it's like the poster, the 222 is like a digital clock. But I think, I could be wrong. Oh, I'm going to spoil it.
Don't know.
No, I don't think I am.
You won't spoil it for me.
Something happens after the interval. So like, I like the set changes or something. I don't know. I just remember, I don't know if it was Sam that had been to see it. She took herself off to London to go and see it. Oh, it was Tom Felton, Draco. He was in it. But something happens in the interval to the stage. I could be wrong, but I'll tell you afterwards, I'm sure. We're going to go find somewhere to eat. We really wanted to go to Almost Famous Burger Bar.
We're almost just not going to get there.
We're not going to have time, unfortunately. It's like too far to walk and messing about with Ubers and whatever.
It's an hour's walk.
Why is it so far? Why did I have it in my mind that it was really close?
It's not far from the train station.
Oh, maybe it's that then. Right, okay.
And obviously if you're going...
But why would we be eating there? Why have we been twice? When we only go to Manchester to watch shows. One of them was Bastille, wasn't it?
Yeah.
From a birthday. But why was the other reason we went? And I was pregnant with Dot. And that wasn't Bastille. So, I don't know. My sister, God love her, is putting 2 kids to bed tonight on her own. Like, last time she did that was when we did our Shepherd's Hut weekend. And Bernie was like, just sleep when you want, mate. But now she's in a routine, and I think she's gonna struggle a bit, I think. And Dot wasn't bothered that we were going because she was watching Bluey. Don't it look nice?
Right, this one, yeah?
Straight over.
Alright. That's
Then
first exit,
left,
isn't it?
yeah.
So I'm going left?
Yeah. Look at that, it's mint. That is the theatre, isn't it? Yeah.
In 300 yards, turn roundabout, take the second exit.
ITV over there. So cool. What is it, mixed pork and chicken?
Yeah.
That does look very nice. We've ended up in, what are we, in a food market
in Manchester.
near the theatre. So we're going to share everything. Got a big fat burger coming and some big fat fries. Oh, there's loads of fries then. That is a silly little thing they've served it in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, got buffalo chicken, fries, and then a double smashed fatty bacon burger. Guess what I got at work today? A King Charles £20 note.
Was it real?
It's very flattering.
Well, the shrunk his ears and his nose down.
Yeah.
To normal size.
He doesn't look wrinkly. His eyes are like lovely and big. It's ridiculous. And I went, oh, look who it is, like that. And they were like, what? So it's King Charles. I'm like, oh my God, I never even noticed. Oh, are they out today? And then what did he say? Oh yeah, so he paid with it, and I put it in the till.
Yeah.
And then my other lady was like, I know this is going to sound a bit weird, but can I swap you a £20 note with the Queen on for one with King Charles on? I was like, okay.
If it's real.
Yeah, they are. I got it from the post office. She wanted to take it home to show her husband who's just had a stroke and 2 heart attacks.
Right, shit.
What was your favourite out of all that food then? Why won't you come on camera? Come on.
I don't know. The gyros was not as good as I remembered it being.
Yeah, but you aren't pissed in, you know, a holiday.
And I hadn't been drinking for like 8 months. I think that burger might have been
It was
probably
very
just edging
nice.
it, yeah.
Because it was crusty. It was a patty smashed
Yeah,
on
yeah,
it.
But that bacon, for me, was too solid. Just right for you, though, I'm sure.
If it had been caramelised.
Yeah, because it was a bit stringy.
Like, no. Well, no, like that maple sugar coating.
Right, yeah.
With that salt burger patty. And not enough garlic mayo. But nice cheese, nice bread, nice burger. I really like fries, you weren't keen.
It's just doesn't look massive on that buffalo sauce.
Don't like vinegar.
I like it, but I don't love it. You loved it. You know?
I really like the gyros actually. Is it a gyros or a gyros?
Gyros.
I like bitty food.
So you can have a little bit of everything. Picky bits.
Picky bits.
As people say.
Like you could rip your bread off and have chicken in that one, a bit of chicken in that one.
Was it like Gavin and Stacey where they go, oh, can we all just go? No, we can't
Just
go.
put it on the table. Everyone just. No, but we are literally smithy when it comes to food. It's really hard to share food, isn't it?
Yeah, I think you wrecked that.
I think we did. Me?
Yeah,
Why?
I could have picked it up and eaten it proper.
Yeah, but then you'd have eaten all of it without giving me any.
Yeah, so I had to.
You should have cut it down the middle and then have 2 little.
I sacrificed my gyros for you.
Well, you should have bought me
Because
one
I
as
love
well
it.
then. Yeah.
You'd never have. I'd be able to.
No, I would have totally finished another one.
See a wear mark on that window there up there. Something's going to happen to that window. I see a wear mark on it.
Oh, okay.
Like the body's going to go thud on the window.
Cool.
What?
Is it what you thought it was going to be, or was that enough for you?
Enough for me, enough.
I don't know.
I liked that it was more funny.
Funny?
Yeah.
Like, well, yeah, they have to break it up somehow, don't they?
I always thought when he pulled that hammer out, I thought, oh, he's going to kill him. This is going to be it. But it didn't pan out that way.
I could not get on with the leading lady.
Oh, she was wooden as shit, wasn't she?
Honestly, I don't know what it is about stage acting. They're doing it.
Scary opera. Let's do stuff.
It's because they're doing it for the cheap seats at the back, aren't they?
Yeah, she was terrible. She got a bit better as it went on.
She was less in it.
Well, the first like 5 minutes, I was just like, "Fucking hell, what's this? This is like."
She was very
university spec.
No, see,
over the top.
I always think National Theatre actors that aren't like the big names are like that.
Oh, is this National Theatre?
No. I think it's just for me, it's a style of acting.
Aside from the pointless jump scares, that was not scary at all.
No, I know, but it's a really good play.
Oh,
it's a really good play.
But it didn't need us. I think it just
did.
No, it didn't.
It did because
kept you awake.
I always thought the climax of each scene was really spot on. You know, like the end of the argument was always a bang. It was very good. Very good script.
Yeah.
And I like that it's modern. They had an Alexa on. Sorry. Alexa on stage.
Alexa!
And they're on about Facebook and stuff. I like that it was modern, you know. I like the jump scares.
Yeah, but you like that shit.
Yeah, because you can feel your heart like...
No, you can't. You can feel the person next to you shit their pants.
Honestly, my shoulders are so tense because everything was like this the whole time. It's really good. What?
What was it?
What?
Someone made a joke. One of the cast.
Yeah.
I can't remember what the line was. It was something a little bit rude.
Yeah.
And you just went, ha!
Did I?
And then someone else started laughing. You were the only person that got it.
Nice to see something a bit different than a musical.
Yeah.
For you, anyway.
It's nice just not to be at home looking for a baby.
If that bloody baby wakes up tonight
It will do.
at 2:22, I'm shit my pants. What else is
Father's
happening?
Day.
Father's Day. We're going to York for Father's Day. That'll be nice, wouldn't it?
Should be.
I hope it's not shit weather. Right, thank you so much for watching and see you next one. Bye.